Yeah, get another one. As long as Elisa gets another one.
She is. She has to chug though.
I'm working on it.
Yeah.
Bullying me.
I need to drink like 4 more of those.
We're waiting on her.
4 more.
Can you pay for that? You put 4 more of those on the tab?
Yeah. Can't be sorry.
5 actually. 6 for Hannah.
Yeah, my tax is fucking
For this day.
Wait a minute, you think you guys are going out
We
tomorrow
can
during
rearrange
it?
that.
Wait a
We
minute.
can rearrange that.
You're doing it tomorrow during the day while it's still snowing, or you're gonna wait till Monday?
For your birthday.
I'll probably do my grandparents. Play all the driveway. But the parking lot.
No, May 29. I wish. I love it. Spring. I love it.
Look,
I think it's gonna snow